Nissan just revealed the 2026 Pathfinder with 5 major changes that are going to shake up the 3-row SUV segment. If you've been watching competitors play it safe with minor updates while prices keep climbing, Nissan is taking a completely different approach that could redefine what you expect from a family SUV. While Honda and Toyota are coasting on their reputations with aging technology, Nissan is making bold moves that address the exact frustrations buyers have been voicing for years. Number 5. Hybrid is coming. One of the most significant shifts for the 2026 Pathfinder is happening under the hood, where Nissan is finally introducing what many owners have been requesting for years, a hybrid powertrain. The outgoing model came exclusively with a V6 engine, which delivered solid performance but left efficiency-minded buyers looking elsewhere. The new hybrid setup is going to be built around a 4-cylinder engine, working in combination with electric motors, and the total system output is about to match the current V6's power figures. The hybrid system is going to cut that fuel consumption significantly, saving you thousands of dollars annually while delivering the same acceleration you're used to. However, this change is dividing the Pathfinder community like nothing else. The concern centers on whether the added complexity of a hybrid drivetrain is worth the efficiency gains, especially when Toyota and Honda have been offering hybrid 3-row SUVs for years with proven track records. Nissan is entering this space later than its Japanese rivals, and longtime Pathfinder owners are questioning why they should trust Nissan's first attempt at this technology when competitors have already perfected it. If Nissan engineers the system properly, you could be looking at fuel economy improvements of 25 to 30% compared to the outgoing V6. But skeptics argue that these efficiency gains won't be significant enough to justify the added complexity. The controversy boils down to this: are you willing to be an early adopter of Nissan's hybrid technology, or would you rather stick with proven powertrains? Number 4. Turbo 4 replaces V6. While the hybrid variant is generating buzz, an even bigger change is happening across the entire Pathfinder lineup: the retirement of the naturally aspirated V6 engine that's been a staple of this SUV for years. In its place, Nissan is rolling out a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, marking a fundamental shift in the Pathfinder's character. The new Turbo 4 is being engineered to deliver more low-end torque than the outgoing V6, which means better acceleration from a standstill and more pulling power when you need it most. But here's where the controversy gets heated. Naturally aspirated V6 engines have earned a reputation for durability and simplicity. They run smooth, they last forever when properly maintained, and they don't require the same level of care that turbocharged engines demand. Turbo engines run hotter, they put more stress on components, and they typically require premium fuel to deliver their advertised performance. For budget-conscious families who keep vehicles for 10 to 15 years, this transition feels like a downgrade disguised as progress. The debate in online forums is fierce. Critics point out that turbocharged engines have higher maintenance costs, shorter service intervals, and more potential failure points than the bulletproof V6. This change is forcing loyal Pathfinder owners to choose between staying with a brand they trust or looking elsewhere for the simple, dependable powertrains they've come to expect. Number 3. New look. Exterior styling is getting a comprehensive refresh for 2026, and the changes are going to be noticeable the moment you see the updated Pathfinder on the road. This isn't a full redesign, but rather a strategic facelift that's modernizing the SUV's appearance while keeping the familiar proportions that current owners appreciate. The front end is receiving the most dramatic updates. Nissan is implementing a new grille design that's bolder and more three-dimensional than the current model's somewhat conservative approach. The headlight assemblies are being completely redesigned with slimmer LED units that give the Pathfinder a more aggressive stance. Trying to navigate dark rural roads or poorly lit parking lots where you can barely see what's ahead is a problem every family driver knows too well. The improved light output and wider beam pattern mean you'll spot hazards earlier and drive with greater confidence after sunset. But the styling changes are polarizing buyers. Some appreciate the more modern, aggressive look that helps the Pathfinder stand out in crowded parking lots. Others argue that Nissan is abandoning the understated practical design that made the Pathfinder appealing to families who don't want to make a statement. The criticism centers on whether Nissan is trying too hard to be flashy when the vehicle's core buyers prefer conservative, timeless styling. The rear end is also getting attention, with redesigned taillights that echo the front's new design language. You'll still recognize it as a Pathfinder, but whether that's a good thing depends on who you ask. The new look is dividing buyers between those who want evolution and those who preferred the original direction. Number 2. Interior. Where the current model sometimes relies on hard plastics in high-touch areas, the 2026 version is incorporating softer surfaces, improved textures, and premium accents that make the cabin feel more expensive than its price tag suggests. The dashboard design is getting a cleaner, more horizontal emphasis that opens up the space and makes it feel airier for front seat occupants. The new interior palettes are moving away from the dark, monotone approaches that have dominated SUV cabins for years. Instead, you're going to see options that incorporate lighter tones, contrasting stitching, and thoughtful accent pieces that add visual interest. However, the interior changes are sparking debate among practical-minded buyers. While the upgraded materials look and feel premium, some longtime Pathfinder owners worry that Nissan is prioritizing style over durability. The concern is that these softer surfaces and lighter colors won't hold up to the daily abuse of kids, pets, and cargo that three-row SUVs typically endure. Critics argue that the old interior's harder plastics and darker colors were easier to clean and more forgiving of wear and tear. Exactly what families need in a workhorse vehicle. Seat materials are being upgraded across all trim levels, with upper models receiving premium upholstery that rivals what you'd find in luxury brand competitors. Anyone who's endured a long road trip knows the discomfort of cheap, unsupportive seats. The upgraded seating in the 2026 model is designed to reduce fatigue during those 8-hour drives to visit family, with better cushioning and improved lumbar support. You're going to find more thoughtfully placed cubbies, better cup holders that actually secure different bottle sizes, and charging solutions positioned where they make sense for modern devices. But the question dividing buyers is simple. Does a family SUV need to feel like a luxury vehicle, or should it focus on being tough and practical? Number 1. New tech. The technology upgrades coming to the 2026 Pathfinder represent the most forward-thinking changes in the entire update package. Nissan is finally addressing one of the biggest criticisms of the current generation: outdated tech that feels a generation behind key rivals. Upper trim levels are ditching traditional analog gauges in favor of a fully digital instrument cluster. A configurable digital display allows drivers to customize what information they see and how it's presented. The centerpiece of the tech transformation is the completely redesigned infotainment system. Nissan is installing a larger touchscreen that eliminates the cramped, outdated unit in the current model. The real game changer is what's running on that screen: a Google-based operating system that brings Android Auto integration, Google Maps, and voice assistant capabilities directly into the vehicle's core systems. But this tech overhaul is creating the biggest controversy of all. The interface is going to be instantly familiar to anyone who's used an Android phone, which dramatically reduces the learning curve. With Google's platform, you're going to navigate menus as naturally as you do on your phone, without consulting a thick owner's manual or wasting time hunting for basic functions. However, privacy-conscious buyers are raising serious concerns about Google's deep integration into the vehicle's systems. Critics argue that inviting Google into your family SUV means surrendering your location data, driving habits, and personal information to a tech giant. The debate is splitting buyers between those who value seamless integration and those who prioritize data privacy and simplicity. Wireless smartphone connectivity is also part of this tech package, eliminating the cable clutter that currently plagues family vehicles. Whether you're using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll be connecting wirelessly, and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin are going to keep devices charged for all 3 rows of passengers. Driver assistance features are receiving substantial upgrades as well. The 2026 Pathfinder is incorporating Nissan's latest Pro Pilot Assist technology with enhanced capabilities. The system is going to offer smoother lane centering, more natural speed adjustments in traffic, and better performance in challenging conditions. But some drivers argue that these systems are becoming too intrusive, taking control away from the driver and creating dependency on technology that might fail when you need it most. The 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is shaping up to be more than just a mid-cycle refresh. It's a complete transformation that's forcing buyers to choose between traditional values and modern innovation. From the controversial hybrid efficiency and turbocharged performance to the polarizing styling, upscale interior approach, and privacy concerns around new technology, Nissan is betting that the benefits outweigh the risks. For families torn between wanting the latest features and preferring proven simplicity, the 2026 Pathfinder represents the most divisive update in the model's history. But the Pathfinder definitely isn't the only one that divides the crowd with its updates. Make sure to check out our video about 2026 Honda Pilot's controversial changes as well, because a lot of interesting things are happening there. Despite the obvious quality, these updates once again confirm that Honda refuses to hear its customers in many cases.